Let us see the next problem based on again the operating profit, but we are using the degree of operating leverage here. So previously we solved the formula, that is C divided by EBIT or operating profit, right? So now we will change our formula, that is degree of operating leverage equals to, so what is the formula? It is percentage of change in EBIT divided by percentage of change in sales. So we use this formula to calculate the operating leverage now. Okay, let us see. So what the problem is given. Okay, the firm sells product at 100 per unit, rupees 100 per unit. Fixed costs are rupees 1 lakh. Variable costs are rupees 50 per unit. Find out degree of operating leverage if sales are, the first one 2000 units, second B 4000 units and 6000 units as the C. They have given in the bracket that the base units are 4000 units. Okay, what we need to calculate here, what is the formula to calculate our problem is the percentage of change in sales and the percentage of change in EBIT we have to find out. So I have wrote the computation of the operating profit, how we usually take the table, same as wise I wrote here, that is particulars firm A, firm B and firm C. So these are the units for the our calculation. Now firstly we will calculate the percentage of change in sales. How we will calculate? Okay, it is very simple. Just you take down the whatever the units they have given minus the base units divided by the base units into 100. Okay, so here I will wrote, so this is just a difference divided by base units, difference of units into 100. We will get the by using this formula. This is not given. To understand yourself, I have wrote this formula. Okay, so let us see directly, that is how we will get the difference of the valuations. Okay, what is the value of the first firm? That is same you write 2000 minus what is the base units? It is 4000, right? So what are the difference we got? Minus 2000. The same here I will write. Minus 2000 is the difference of units. What is the base unit here? They have given already 4000 multiplied into 100. Okay. So I will get the minus 50 as the answer. In case of B, it is 0 because that will give you the same value 4000 multiplied into 100, that will give you the 100%. We won't take that one, so on behalf of that, so we will take it as the 0. Next one, 6000 unit we will take. 6000, how do we calculate? 6000 minus base value is 4000. This 2000 is now difference in units. 2000 divided by base units are 4000 multiplied into 100. Okay, here we will get the plus 50 as the percentage. So hope you understood how we got the percentage of change in sales. Okay, we just took the base units as the base. Okay, whatever the difference we got with the firms, okay, that is multiplied into 100. You will get the whether it is minus or plus. So the same you have to take here. So I will close down this amount figure now. So further I will start the now, that is calculation of EBIT to take over the percentage of change in EBIT. Okay, now change in EBIT calculation ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ EBIT ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇವಾಗ, ಸೊ ಅವರ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, that is sales minus variable cost. So that will give you the contribution, again minus fixed cost. So we will get the lastly as EBIT, right? So same we will take down here. So what is the sales price? We don't have the exact answer, right? We have the units and the selling price. So we will just multiply and we will get the answer. Okay, 2 lakh 2000 into 100, we will get the 2 lakh. Next one, 4000 into 100, we will get the 4 lakh. Next one, 6000 into 100, 6 lakh. Similarly, we will calculate the variable cost. So variable cost is rupees 50, right? 2000 into 50, we will get the 1 lakh. The difference is 1 lakh. Next one, 4000 into 50, we will get the 2 lakh. The difference I will get is 2 lakh again. Next one, 6000 multiplied into 50, I will get the 3 lakh. So the difference is also same, 3 lakh. Next one, so here we can see that the fixed cost is same for all the options A, B, C, that is 1 lakh, same. One lakh. One lakh. Okay. So here we will go for the valuation. So this is 0. So in this case we got 1 lakh. In this we got 2 lakh. So but here we have the one adjustment, okay, or one figure we can't be take down. Okay, so the base is 1 lakh. So this is divider. Okay, this can't be taken as the percentage of change in EBIT. Now we will calculate. So to take this value, we can't calculate this one, right? Again this one cannot be calculated. So why this can't be taken? Okay, because the value of the denominator is, or the value of the base is 1 lakh, but we don't have the any the figure which can be taken as difference, right? The same here we will use the formula, that is the difference what we will get. So 1 lakh, 2 lakh minus 1 lakh, I will get the 1 lakh as the answer, multiplied into 100. What is the base? The base is again 1 lakh. Okay, what I will get? So here I will get the again 1 lakh. So this is not the problem which is having the appropriate answer. So that's why I will take down this into another mode. ಸೊ ಇದು ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದು ಏನು ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸೊ EBIT ಕೊಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಐ ವಿಲ್ change my fixed cost. Okay, so I will write down here. So this can't be taken, right? So I will conclude here. So here I will start the another method or another adjustment. Fixed cost we will cut down into 50,000. Okay, 1 lakh, 2 lakh and 3 lakh. So 50,000, 50,000 and 50,000. So the difference I will get is 50,000, 1 lakh 50,000 and 2 lakh 50,000. Okay, in this case, so now I will go for the percentage of change in EBIT. Okay, how I can get? So the difference of these two, 50,000 50,000 minus 1,50,000 divided by, so this I got as the difference, that is 1 lakh, right, minus multiplied into 100 divided by 1,50,000 divided by 1,50,000 multiplied into 100. So I got minus 66.67. So this will be again 0. So why I have took the 1,50,000 is, so this column has the base figure, right? So that's why I took this one. Okay, next one, the difference of these two is the plus 1 lakh, because we can say that 2,50,000 minus 1,50,000 will give the plus value 1 lakh multiplied into 100 divided by 1,50,000. We will get the 66.67 as the plus value. Now we will use the formula. Okay, so this can't be giving you the exact answer, so that's why it can't be a true. So when you use the formula, so next we will use this as the figure and we reduce the fixed cost, but you don't do such mistakes. It is a problem mistake, so that's why I have took the less in the case of fixed asset, but in the examination you will get the correct answer. Okay, now we solve the formula, that is by using the formula DOL equals to percentage of change in EBIT divided by percentage of change in sales. Okay, so directly I will go for the numerics. So EBIT is minus 66.67 divided by minus 50. So here I will get 66.67 divided by 50. So I got minus 1.133 times. So in the second case we will see, again this can't be calculated because it is remains same. So it is plus 66.67 divided by 50. So it is in plus value, right? So it will give you the again the plus value 1.33 times. So what is the difference by using this formula is, one is giving the negative value and another form is giving the plus value. So hope you understood the problem. Okay, in the problem they have given the 1 lakh, so that's why it got the inappropriate to adopt this formula. That's why I have took here as fixed cost as 50,000. Okay, so you do remember this one, but in the examination they don't do such any of the mistakes. Hope you understood the problem based on degree of operating leverage. So in the next video we'll see the next method.